my channel, so in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this really pretty, really model-esque kind of like tousled curl black bombshell look with this 14-inch left side T-part wig from MYSHINYWIGS. The part in the wig is on the left, but I like to wear mine on the right, so I just kind of like tossed it to this side. So this is what it looks like on the right side. It looks cute on that side, but I like it on the right better. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So here is the bag that the wig came in, and this is what the wig looks like straight out the bag, no product, no nothing. And the curls are really cute, but y'all already know that I'm gonna wash and style the wig myself. So the wig comes with 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. And this is a right side T-part wig, which means that you cannot change the part. So I am plucking it. It was kind of plucked already, kind of like pre-plucked, but y'all already know I always have to pluck just a tad bit more so it'll look like a tad bit more scalp. And a little note here, I actually did not bleach the knots. I just kind of left it like it was, and you're gonna see at the end that it looks really good. And this is what it looks like after I have washed and blow dried it. And now I'm gonna curl it. Y'all already know I love pin curls. I'm a pin curls myself and y'all to death. So yeah, I just did some real cute pin curls because I feel like with that length, the volume would be really pretty. So this is what my pin curls look like. So after I pin curl my wigs, I don't really install them right away. Like I'll leave them in for like a half a day or a day or even 2 days or even a week if I don't have time to install it. But for my install today, I'm just doing the ball cap method like I usually do. And for my adhesive of choice today, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue Free Spray because it was kind of late and I just wanted to film this video and go to sleep. So I normally use wig glue, but in this video I didn't. This is what the wig looks like. So this wig was originally a left side T-part, but I put it on and I was like, I don't really like this. But I feel like if you're looking at me too close, you'll be able to tell. But I have this piece of lace in the front, so I feel like I can flip it either way. And I always wear my side parts on the right side. That's how I'm wearing it. Well, y'all saw that all I had to do was curl, pluck, and stick this to my head. So I feel like this is a really kind of easy hairstyle. I think whenever I wear this in the future, I will only be wearing this as curls, just because like it's giving, I don't want to say like Marilyn Monroe, but it's giving like black bombshell, you know. If I was to be in a magazine, I feel like the makeup artist would put me in something like this. You know, it's really like really editorial. To the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.